Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the mouse buttons from a Dell Alienware 15 version R2. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Now unplug battery. Then separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Now unroute backlight, keyboard, and macro key cables. Then remove hard drive screws. Next, disconnect and remove hard drive. Then disconnect keyboard and macro key cables from motherboard. Next, remove screws from bottom base. Now open display and separate palmrest from base. Now unplug and remove palmrest. Then disconnect touchpad cables. Now unscrew and remove mouse buttons. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.